You know, I really had no idea that this side of Gundam existed. Third-party parts that are like kind of garage kit looking. This is for like some miniguns. I've got a couple of little miniguns. Also got things like vents, belts, braided cable, even punk spikes that are Gundam, I guess. I've definitely never really been a Gundam guy, but I get the appeal. But what I really do love is like weird niche hobby products and accessory kits and stuff. That's my jam. I'd really love this to have a Gatling gun. As a kid, I could never work out how to cut these tubes, and funnily enough, the answer is a tube cutter. It's got a little cutting disc in it, and you slowly apply pressure and slowly turn it, and eventually it will cut through, giving you a nice even cut. Now you might be asking yourself, Trent, why are you cutting brass rod when you could just cut down the tubes that you were given? And the answer is, I think brass looks cooler. I bought this tube cutter from Bunnings, so don't go out and get a hobby one, just go to the hardware shop, they're cheaper. This particular third-party kit comes from Anubis Design Studio, DUA, and it's a nice kit. The parts are 3D printed, professionally cleaned and packaged, and the supports are really good. The resin is a 3D print resin that's kind of shattery, like it's quite glass-like, so you got to be careful, but yeah, it's nice. I was trying to work out how best to put this gun on the front of this that would look good, and from the other Gatling gun kit, there was this piece, and I think the dimensions actually line up the same. So I guess we're kit bashing these accessory kits. That'll fit. I want to put the Gatling gun on the front of this box, but the box is exposed foam. Now, I think the solution would be to get some foam-safe super glue, because this needs to be an instant bond to take the weight of the brass. I don't have any of that though, so let's go to the hobby shop. I ended up with this glue. It says it's a gap filling medium, which could be perfect for this, and it's foam safe. For a better bond, I'm going to pin the gun into the tank itself. Line it up. And like that. Then the kicker. Ooh, yeah. That's awesome. Nice. Nice. So, this glue is supposedly a gap-filling medium as well as a glue, and well, I thought I'd put it to the test by gluing something flat onto something round and see if I can bridge that gap, and it works. But also, I'm pretty sure it's just gel superglue. So if you can buy gel superglue in bulk, that might be the better option. Now, this braided cable was pretty funky. I can't work out what this is maybe repurposed from. I haven't seen braided cable this size, and it is incredibly fun to play with. It is like very sensory. My intention of using it is just finding a natural start point and a natural end point on the model and just worm it around, which for some reason I thought would be most suited on the tank tracks. Now I can already hear the comments for this, because yesterday I had these smoke mortars upside down and I didn't hear the end of it. Well, you're going to be just as displeased with this hose to the Gatling gun ending at the front of this tank. Why on earth would I do that? Well, I didn't do it. The little grot, the little grot inside of the tank did it. He wasn't sure how to get the bullets from back here to the Gatling gun, so he cut a hole in the side and he lines up all the bullets, and as the tank drives forward, it rides along the track like a little conveyor belt and loads the Gatling gun. Now, the flaw in this system is that it can only fire while driving forward, but why would they stop driving forward? It's so dumb. It's really dumb. Anyway, there's my orc logic for you, and hopefully there's some more Dakka. Now, the problem is I don't know what to do with this back of the tank. It honestly looks kind of cool, but it does look like it's missing something. So whatever the top rated comment of this video is, I will build on the back of it. Whatever it is. So I am leaving this absolute chaos up to you. So please, I am trusting you. Please, please, don't make me make something crazy. Now, okay, how did the that gel glue go? It went really well. Like, I think all the gaps and stuff are all like really nice. Like, it really encloses all these pieces pretty well without having to use plastic cement. I do like using plastic cement though. It's a good bottle of glue. Is it worth 31 Australian dollars? I don't know. But when I look at what is available for super glues in bulk, here it comes out about the same price. So I don't know, I'll have to keep experimenting with it. You also might have noticed I used a different glue to glue this hose down, and that was thin CA glue. And I got this tip, I think, from Tyler from Billion Dollar Clown Farm. It's so thin. It's like thinner than water. And if you add little drops of glue, it seals it all in without getting rid of the detail. Oh, that's open. Okay, don't do that. It doesn't get rid of the details. I am feeling bloody loopy right now. I'm very, very tired. You can see the bags under my eyes, and I think it's because the last couple of days, I think I've been fighting off the flu. The people I love have the flu, and I am doing my best to not get it, but I think it's coming for me. So, however long this video is how long it is, because I gotta rest. So, wish me luck. You might see me tomorrow, or not.